Hello everybody. Yes, you caught me wearing a tie. Please note that in your diaries, it doesn't happen very often. So, I'm not going to talk very long today. I hope you've all enjoyed what I've been posting up on African religion. And although you didn't have to endure my face, figure and voice once again, there's some very interesting material, and I see some people have been commenting in the threads. Thank you. That's what we like to see. Participation. So when you see this on your Facebook page, then go for it. Comment. I'm as capable of spouting nonsense as the next guy, so let me know. Okay. Next up is Judaism, and I am not going to talk much about Judaism because of all the chapters, all the study units in your material, this is the one that you can really just sit down and swat. It's 10 of this, 13 of the other, there's long lists of things. So those of you who like to just, sit down, head down with your book and swat and memorize things, this is your chapter. And of course there's lots of lovely material for questions in there. Don't let it throw you. If you know those 13 principles, and if you know the festivals, and you can give an overview of the history, that sort of thing, you'll be fine. Okay, so if you have actual questions, something that you don't understand about Judaism, put it in the comments and I'll get back to you. In the meantime, something else I need to talk to you about. UNISA gives you, when you register, a free email address for life. And it's your student number at mylife.unisa.ac.za. And this doesn't stop when you finish studying. You can use it for the rest of your life because nobody's ever going to have your student number. Please, people, activate that and check it at least once a week, because that actually is the only way we have to reach you. Believe it or not. When you register, you have to give your email address. But I have no way of getting that. There's no system on which I can still see, okay, I need to find student Piet Pompies, then it's pietpompies@gmail. No. The only way I can reach Piet Pompies is at 5795555 at UNISA, mylifeunisa.ac.za. So it really is important. I've got 5 students right now who have been awarded FI concessions. So that means that if you only have one module outstanding, you get another chance to write for that, okay? You can't apply for it. Admin decides who gets it and who doesn't. So don't write to me saying, I need an FI concession. I can't help you. It's admin's problem. I just get lists. But of those 5 students, only one has contacted me. That she's the only one who reads her MyLife email. So please activate it, check it until the day you graduate. At least once a week. It's the only way we can get hold of you. Okay, so next video will be on Christianity, and I will have a fair bit to say to you then. So this week or so, just sit there, take Judaism, and because I'm not saying that Judaism is a simple religion or that it doesn't have a deep history and complex structure of its own. But the way we set it up in this course, and because of the person who mostly wrote it, this particular module is one that you can just sit down and learn. Okay, I take it everybody's making good progress on their assignment 02. As I speak, it's not due yet, but yeah, good luck. And that is it from me for another week.